I love ACGAM's products as I have two of their motorized desks that work perfectly, but today I'm not going to show you a desk. Instead, I'll be introducing a brand new office chair. So the situation is that ACGAM has made great desks so far, but now they've launched chairs on the market, specifically office chairs, ranging from very cheap to mid-range prices, although in terms of features, these are more like high-end models. So, our most expensive and premium chair costs around $500, but the impressive CG-5245M model that I'll be showcasing to you in today's detailed video doesn't actually cost that much at all. Its incredibly affordable price is only $300. And for that price, it offers a lot of features. Once again, we'll go through the usual steps. Unboxing, assembling, I'll tell you what the chair can do and share a few words about what it's like to use. So packaging. The box, however, is large and be prepared for it not to be very light either, since this chair is made of plenty of material. You might very well need two people to physically carry it, and quite possibly two people to assemble it as well. The assembly itself isn't too complicated either. Inside the box, everything arrives neatly separated, with the screws in their own bag, the Allen key separate, and every part individually wrapped so nothing gets damaged during transport. First, you need to assemble the bottom star, which is where the wheels will go. This is what supports the chair. It's important to mention here that this part is made of metal, not plastic like with cheap Chinese chairs. So that's already a big plus right there. The wheels are completely standard size and are meant for hard floors, but if that's not suitable for you and you want to use the chair on soft floors or carpet, you can swap out the wheels and buy ones that fit, so you'll be able to use it that way too. Once you've assembled the star base with the wheels, you need to push the gas lift into the center. And here's where things get a bit tricky, because you have to screw both armrests onto the seat, which isn't exactly light, and you also have to screw on the backrest. Then you'll need to place the whole assembled piece onto the top of the gas lift. You might need two people for this part, so make sure you have someone around to help you. Otherwise, the assembly itself is absolutely not difficult at all. It took me approximately 10 to 12 minutes, including the initial unpacking. So you can reasonably expect that with a bit of prior experience, you can put the chair together in about 10 minutes. And with less experience, it should realistically take around 20 minutes. I have to mention two significant positives. First, there's a really good and comprehensive assembly manual included. Although it's not readily available in Hungarian, it has very clear and detailed diagrams and everything is exceptionally easy to follow. So this will undoubtedly be a very big help. The other positive aspect is that the screws are well sorted, clearly numbered, and precisely labeled with letters, and the included diagrams very clearly show exactly where each screw ultimately goes. There aren't too many screws, so the assembly process doesn't take too long, and you can easily do it with the provided Allen key. What can the chair room do? Let's dive a bit into the specifications. One of the most important things is that it can support up to 130 kilograms, so gentlemen or ladies with a relatively larger body weight can also use it. This capability is further supported by the fact that the seat surface is very wide and the backrest is also very wide. The seat itself is 51 centimeters wide, the backrest is the same, and there is 55 centimeters of space between the two armrests. So even if you're not the slimmest type, you don't need to panic, you'll fit in and you won't get stuck. It's not a problem if you're 160, 165 centimeters tall, and it's also fine if you're 190 centimeters or even 2 meters, because every part of the chair is adjustable. Not only are the armrests incredibly versatile, but also the backrest offers remarkable adjustability, since you can effortlessly raise the backrest to your preferred height, smoothly raise the headrest for optimal support, and precisely tilt the headrest as well for personalized comfort. You can not only easily raise the armrests, but you can also smoothly move them forward and backward, and even rotate them a full 180 degrees for complete flexibility. So you can adjust it in every possible way. And if you're a tall individual and possess very long legs, you don't just have the convenient option to raise the chair really high, but you can also smoothly move the seat pan either forward or backward. So if you precisely move the seat pan forward, even with significantly longer legs, your entire leg will be fully supported by the expansive seat surface. So the crucial point here is that this particular chair is remarkably adjustable in virtually every single part, every minute detail, and every tiny component. There's one thing I haven't even mentioned yet. Even the lumbar support is adjustable. You can move it further out or in at two different levels. So the chair is customizable 100%. No matter what your body type is, no matter how tall you are, this chair can be suitable for you. Obviously, you don't just have to sit in it. You can even lie down if you want. As you can see, the chair can be reclined back to an angle of 135 degrees. But it's not just the backrest of the chair that can be reclined. You can also pull out the footrest. The footrest is the only part of this particular chair that has traditional upholstery. As for its overall appearance, there isn't really much I need to say. Still, there are a few important things I definitely want to mention. One significant thing is that the quality of the plastics doesn't feel top tier. It's not that they're poor quality. The fit is good, there are no seams, no molding defects, no burrs. So in that respect, everything is definitely spot on. The plastics themselves are quite thick and appear to be very durable, so I genuinely don't believe they are going to break easily. It's simply that when I physically touch these particular plastics with my bare hand, I get the distinct feeling that, well, this isn't exactly top-of-the-line quality. Let's just say that in terms of feel and grip, this is more like mid-range. But honestly, that's the only bad thing I can say about the chair. It's very important to note that the manufacturer didn't use upholstered traditional seat surfaces or backrest for the chair. You can see that everything is mesh here. And with this, they probably saved a bit of money so they could offer it at a lower price. But the really good news is that the money they saved was put into the chair structure and its mechanism. Because honestly, I've never seen a mechanism like this in a Chinese chair before. It's probably the best I've come across so far. And of course, that's necessary since, as I mentioned, so many things are adjustable on the chair. You can recline it, slide the seat. Basically, everything can be adjusted. And for that, you need a good mechanism. The plastics, as I mentioned, are strong, but the lower metal frame is also very sturdy, so I think it will serve its purpose for many, many years. And now I should say a few words about what it's like to use the chair, and honestly, I don't really know what to say about it, but it's good. After all, by Chinese standards, this is a high-end chair at $300, so it costs about 100,000 forints, which is considered quite expensive among Chinese chairs. Obviously, a European manufacturer or a more reputable brand available here with a chair of similar features won't cost this much. In fact, they might even charge double for it. So from this perspective, this chair can actually be considered quite cheap. Overall, what can I say about it? Well, basically, as the manufacturer also says, it's suitable both as a gaming chair and as a home office chair, and that's completely obvious since it's very comfortable and every part of it is adjustable. Everything a gamer needs to be able to play for hours, and everything someone who wants to work at their computer needs to be able to work properly and comfortably without having to worry about back pain. If you liked it, you'll find the link below the video where you can purchase it, and there will also be a link to my written article. Read that too. There will be a coupon code so you can buy it at a discount. And if you enjoyed this video, check out one of the other 2 videos appearing next to me. And please subscribe to the channel because there still aren't that many of you subscribed. Be good. I'll be back next week with 2 more reviews. Until then, take care of yourselves and enjoy the weekend. Bye.